and welcome to this new video. And today, as written in the title, it's an unboxing. Yes guys, it's part 2 concerning my summer Longchamp sales buy, let's call it like that. And as explained in part 1, my sales associated have put aside things for me and they were just waiting for me to come to the boutique. So I got the possibility finally to go there before the sales ends. And I have picked 2 items. Well, in fact, I'm lying to you guys, my apologies. In this big bag, I've got 3 items, but the third one, I will do a special video concerning it because I want to explain you how it happens that I finally buy it. So stay tuned for part 3. Here is part 2. Let's go. For those who do not know me, hi guys, I'm bags passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover and a Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, my mother language. So if you love bags discussion and a bit French accent, welcome to this channel and please consider subscribing if you're a returning subby viewer. Thanks a lot for your support. Love you guys. Let's dive into this big bag and let me show you the very first item I picked. And here it is. Yes, guys, I picked a pliage. So, as you can see, it comes now in this plastic bag. On one side it is written Longchamp and here it is clear and you just have the code, you know, concerning the bags and so on. Just a little reminder, but I will link my video for those who do not know concerning pliage bag. The only pliage bag that you will have on sale in Longchamp boutique will be the pliage from Pliage collection. But pliage green, pliage original, they won't go on sale. To have some on sale, you have to go to other store such as multi-brand stores, and those one they have the capacity to put those items on sales, and it is what happened with my boutique. It's a multi-brand company, La Boutique du Sac in French. It's something you can find everywhere in France, and they have several brands and they have the whole catalog of Longchamp. And during sales, sometimes, and most of the time, because maybe one day it will change, but till now, they are making sales on pliage green and pliage original. So now you know everything. So I took the pliage green size M with a long handle in the tomato color. Look at it. So for those who do not know the green line, like all pliage bags, they are made with recycled material. They have silver hardware. Original line have gold hardware, but green line have silver hardware, and this is something that I really appreciate because I prefer silver hardware. Concerning the Russian leather, as you can see, it is the same color as the bag. So you have the handles, the flap, and the little here, which got the same color as the bag. So it is a monochrome bag, except here the glazing on the here, the green line, the glazing is, yes, we can say neon green, apple green. It's very bright. And last things, you have an embroidered horse, you see? So, very, very cute. And, oh my God, it's a true red. And this color from the green line was on sale, as well as the bilberry. And I do love bilberry color. It's really a gorgeous color. But in my collection, Pliage collection, have a look at it. In my collection, I already have this bilberry violet color from the Pliage Club line, you see. And I also have violet in the original line concerning travel bags. So I do not want to add again another one. So I went with the tomato, and I like red, and this shade of red is gorgeous. Yes, it's a true red. It's pop, it's really happy, and I fell in love. I seriously fell in love. And even if I got red bags, concerning pliage, I just have one. Yes, it's a document holder from the Pliage original line, but having a full red one, I think it was something interesting for my collection. So let me show it to you. I am really loving the M size. The L size, it's great. I've got two in my collection, but I take them most of the time when I travel during just one weekend. But for every day, I love this size. At the very beginning of my of my collection, when I was collecting, I was really focused on the S size with, you know, the top handle, because I love to wear a top handle. But the more I get old, and maybe the fact that I became a mother and I've got two kids, I have to tell you that I more and more appreciate the long handle and carry my bag like this. I am still using my S1, but I have to say this size is more and more becoming my favorite one. So look at it. It's really gorgeous. So you have, as I told you, the silver hardware, and I do think that with red, tomato is really matching so beautifully. Let me show you the inside. It's gray, you see, and you have, concerning the green line, inside you just have one pocket. The original, we have another pocket here, but the green just have one here. So, look, it's incredible how these bags are great. The only thing is that it's really becoming expensive. That's the reason why, and I tell it to you directly, I am now only buying pliage bags when they go on sale. Seriously, I've been collecting them for many years, and yes, I have to admit, I've got a big collection, so I do not need all colors because some colors are similar. But before, I was buying them like this. I went to the store, I choose a color, I pick it, I pay, and I don't care if it was on sale and so on. Today, due to the price increase and the fact, as I just told you, I got a big collection already, I select the color, and yes, I wait for the sales, because for me, it's a bit sad to pay it full price because it does not change during the years. So I don't know why the price increased so much. And today this bag retails, I will write in American dollar, guys. I will just tell you in euro, but I will write in American dollar. In euro, this bag is 120 euro. That's expensive for what it is, even if the quality is here, the style, it's iconic and so on. For me, it's becoming pricey, seriously. So thanks to the sales, I only paid, if I remember correctly, 80 euro, 50 cents. So, which is quite an amount still, but seriously less from 120 euro. So yes, guys, I tell you directly, I am really interested by the new color peacock. But I'm telling you guys, I will wait for the next sales in winter and then I will buy the peacock color, seriously. Unless I am hearing that they run out of the stock and I just have one chance to have it right now, maybe because I really want this color, but unless there is no drama coming soon, I will wait to add peacock in my collection. But today I am adding tomato and I am more than happy. Oh, it is my little one. As you see, this one is a bit more orange and this one is a true red. Look at the leather, the Russian leather. This is clearly orange red and this one is a real true red. So guys, this is my first bag and the second item I pick on sale also. It's also, yes guys, why not having two on sale? I went for the backpack and this time, so you see it's a tiny bag, and this time I go with Pliage Original. So as I explained to you guys the difference, Pliage Original got the gold hardware, the Russian leather parts are brown, and I went this time with, oh, I forgot, there is no embroidered horse on the Pliage Original. And I went with a color that was really interesting me for a long time, but I was waiting to be on sale. Sage color. And I love this color. The new green is cute. I am a green lover, but it's seriously too bright for me. I prefer this shade, which is more, how can I say that? It's less pop, you know. This one is more a quiet green. I'm sorry guys, I'm French. I try my best to talk to you. I apologize. And I have not a bunch of Pliage backpacks. I have to tell you, here is the one I got. I got this one in the baby pink color from the Pliage Club. And it's seriously lovely. I use it a lot. Unfortunately, as you can tell, baby pink, even if I love the color, depending on the outfit, and especially during winter time, I am not very keen on using it. Seriously, even if I love this shade and it's a lovely pink, during winter I use it less and I prefer to use my other backpack in leather. So when I saw sage, I told to myself, oh, let's go for the backpack, and this one I know I will use it during a fall winter time. It's a gorgeous color and I love those backpacks. Seriously, they are light, you can fold them, and this is so practical when you travel because you can put it directly in your suitcase if you want to use it when you be on your travel location. It comes with one flap pocket here, which has quite a nice size, and the interior, it's also gray, like this. Oops, sorry guys. Let me show it to you like this. There's a big capacity, and yes, once again, concerning the price, because the M size and the backpack do have the same price, so 120 euro, and thanks to the sales, I got it for, as I told you, 80 euro, 50 cents. So a nice price, still an amount, but better have it on sale. And yes, I'm really happy. It is super easy to adjust the length. It's super comfy on your shoulder. Yes, I really like them. The handles here, it's quite nice because sometimes you can carry it like this without a problem. No, I really like this one, but I was just waiting to have a beautiful color and have it on sale. I love with the brown, it's, yes, it's elegant. It's a very elegant color. So guys, it was part 2 concerning my Longchamp summer sales buys. Please write me in the comment section if you have bought something in the boutique or in the internet Longchamp website. I will be more than happy to hear your stories. Or tell me if finally you did not buy something because no, nothing was of your interest. Stay tuned, you know, more videos are coming, and as I explained to you, I still have a bag inside this one, but I have to explain you the whole story. Till the next video, take care and we see us soon. Bye bye guys!